Right, audio synced up to video. I think so. I think we're good to go.
Welcome to Happy Birthday with Chris Mojon.
Happy birthday to you,
Chris, mate.
Happy birthday to you, Chris, mate.
Happy birthday, dear
Chris,
Chris,
mate.
mate.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hey!
Hip hip.
Hey!
Hip hip.
Hey! No, it's not my birthday, I'm only joking.
It is actually
No,
his
it is my
birthday, and that's
birthday.
the 8th time he's been sung to this morning. The 8th time. So firstly, why have you been sung to 8 times? Where are we? What's going on?
It is my 32nd birthday, and we are at Rolling Stone Discovery Park, is it? Discovery Park?
Yeah.
It is,
Yeah,
yes.
Tasmania.
And we are filming for the What's Up Down Under Trip of a Lifetime series. So
We are. So
excited.
we've actually got these guys with us.
Yes.
And we thought we would do a 10 questions with ADU with these legends here. And that's where we are and why
That's
we're
what
here.
we're doing.
And that's what we're doing.
And it's my birthday, if you didn't
And it
know.
is actually his birthday.
Should we sing it one more time?
Yeah, no, we'll do it at the end. We'll do it at the
Okay,
end.
at the end, at the end.
Okay, all right.
Alrighty, so heading straight into question number 1. It is the trickiest question of them all. Who are you? What are your names? Plus, are you on social media?
Just think about this one.
I'll let you answer this one. This one's over my head.
Okay, so we are Letitia and Adam from Suncoast Caravans Service. Yes, we are on social media.
Drop a link right here.
Yeah, we'll drop it.
That's it. So what is your social media handle, and please spell it out for us.
Suncoast Caravan Service Queensland
Have we got enough time?
is us on Instagram.
That's a doozy.
I'll just write it all down. At the bottom.
And yeah, so
So you're on Instagram, Facebook.
yes,
So what do you
we are
guys
on
do?
YouTube as well, but you know, not so great on there at the moment.
So Suncoast Caravans Service.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're a family-owned and operated caravan repair
Yeah,
business
we got
on the
mum,
Sunshine Coast.
dad, brother, sister-in-law,
Awesome.
Very
lots
much
of friends,
family.
close friends.
Awesome.
Yeah, so we've got a staff of 55. at the
Wow.
moment. We cover all aspects of caravan repairs, from servicing, aftermarket upgrades, lithium systems,
Oh.
aftermarket installs, to we have a bricks and mortar showroom.
Yep.
We have an online e-commerce business where we ship all over Australia.
Well, there you
all
go.
the brands that you guys sort of know and love.
Yep.
Yeah, and you guys actually have a warehouse where
Yep.
you have all these products, don't you? So it's not drop shipping; it's actually comes straight from you.
Yeah,
So
come
there
Do you
must
take
be-
up the whole of the Sunshine Coast?
there must be
Yeah.
Massive warehouse.
Yeah, we got a big chunk of it there. No, look, we do have a warehouse. That's a little bit unique about us, and the reason we do that is because we have a bricks and mortar showroom, so people can come in and buy all the stuff they're seeing online,
Yeah, okay.
which is unique. But also because of our service business and our workshops, I need to hold all the gear there,
Yeah,
so when
right.
people come in to get
Okay.
the lithium job done, all the
Yeah.
aircon fitted, all the hot water system fitted if it needs service or whatever,
Yeah.
we've got all the gear there. We can fit it
What a
straight
great
in. So,
business. That's awesome.
Yeah.
yeah, it's a little bit
Awesome.
unique.
Good on you
We've got
guys.
insurance as well, so we have
Yeah.
a full insurance team, and that's all they do is
Wow.
solely look after insurance repairs.
Wow.
You know,
Okay.
when the tree jumped out at you from it's raining bricks, which is commonly known as hail.
Bricks.
Especially on the Sunshine Coast.
Yeah, apparently.
Southeast Queensland.
Oh dear.
So,
And then we have a fiberglass business called Southeast Fiberglass, where we do fiberglass repairs on boats, trucks, caravans, motorhomes.
So you guys not that busy really, eh?
No,
You don't really
like-
do much during the day, no?
Yeah.
You go to
No.
lunches, boozy
No, it's
lunches?
just a casual, you know, probably 38-hour minimum week.
But then we sneak away to hang out with cool people like you guys.
yeah, nice. Well,
Yeah.
we're glad that you did manage to sneak
Yes.
away for this past week. 'Cause
Yes.
It's been amazing.
Yeah.
Question number 2 is, where are you from?
Both of us
Both
are
of us Sunshine Coast.
born, bred, Sunshine
Well,
Coast.
Oh, there you
Never
go.
I
left.
was not so much. I was born Rocky, but mum and dad back then, that was where they sort of started. They were working in the bank.
Okay.
Then they moved, transferred down to the Sunshine Coast, and then dad decided to change career completely. Went into diesel distribution.
Oh, wow.
Had a business doing that for a while as I was growing up, and then when I was finishing school, he got out of that and had a break for a little bit. And then all of a sudden he goes, "Hey guys, I've got this crazy idea," and I remember my brother and I and mum and dad sitting around the table, and he's like, "Thinking of doing this," and it was Suncoast Caravan Service,
Wow,
and we
cool.
were like, "Oh, well,
Yeah.
we've done, camp trailers, tents, caravans. We should know a bit. We can do this." No, we didn't know anything.
Good one, Dad.
Yeah.
Steep learning curve.
So it was a bit of a learning curve.
I'll
but it
throw
was good.
yourself in the deep end. It's the only way to do
much,
things
yeah.
in life. Yeah.
So that was 15 years ago they bought the business. So
Yeah,
business
wow.
has been established for 43 years.
Oh wow, that's
on
awesome.
the same street. In,
Same street in the
crazy.
Sunshine Coast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now
so
you own the whole
Wow.
block, the whole suburb.
it's growing.
So question number 3 is how long have you been travelling and how long will you continue to travel? So you guys aren't on the road full time.
No, we wish
So
we were.
when did you start caravanning or tenting it or camper trailering it, and obviously
You
do you
can-
plan to continue?
Yeah,
Talk
so Letitia and I got married when we were 22.
23.
And
Careful,
23.
careful, mate.
23.
23. Love you, darling. Have
You
done
do something with your
hair?
hair?
Sorry, private joke.
When we were 23, we were going to go overseas on a big honeymoon, and I said, no, let's hang about in Australia.
So we
And,
bought a camper trailer. Yep, that was
bought
a
the
good
camper
idea.
trailer. That was,
So
Awesome.
romantic.
yeah, it
So
was.
romantic.
But it was better than the leaking 4-dome tent we had
Yeah.
prior to that. Yeah,
Oh,
that was-
nice.
And
Yeah.
then since then, I think we got a new caravan turning up in end of September, start
Yep.
of October, and that will make number 9 for us.
Yeah.
9
I
caravans.
thought we were bad with 5.
Wow.
Yeah, so yeah, we've
Well,
done.
this genius, you know, it's a progressional thing.
Yeah.
Everyone does it. You start with that leaky dome tent, camper trailer.
100%.
Then you go to, you know, your little pop top.
Yeah.
Yep.
Then you go to a wind-up camper. Then you go to your first, you know, full van.
Yeah.
And then full
Then you
van
want a
with
full
ensuite.
van with an
and
ensuite.
Then
Then
you
you
want
got
a
kids.
separate.
You
And
got
Just a
kids. Then
progression.
you got
Yeah.
bunk beds.
You'll see him in a
like-
bus soon. You
stay tuned for more.
So you guys are obviously going to continue to travel.
Yeah. Like I said, we've got a new van turning up in October. We're super pumped about
Pretty
that.
excited.
The best thing about being in the business is all the cool extras we get to put on it.
I can imagine.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah,
I can
that's-
imagine.
that's
It is
the
very
worst.
hard.
The
Everyone
worst
comes in.
best thing, I think you could say.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah. So.
I'd be in my glory.
Okay, so number 5. So what is your current setup?
Vanless?
Traveling?
Yeah,
Vanless?
Vanless.
So
Okay.
vanless at the
You
moment.
kind of
but,
feel like naked. It's weird.
So we've got currently got a 200 series Land Cruiser.
Yep.
I've got a new cruiser turning up soon, so upgrading to a 300 series,
Cool.
and we've got a 19'6" Jayco Journey out back.
That's what's on
Awesome.
the way.
That's what's
Yeah,
on the
because
way.
the question
Awesome.
is, if you could change one thing about your setup, what would it be? And I think you've just done that. Upgraded
Yeah.
from a 200 to 300, and you've upgraded the Caravan as
Yeah,
well.
so we actually we went down in size in
Yeah.
Caravan.
Yeah,
We
just-
went from a
No.
we went from 22'6" down to 19'6",
Yeah, okay.
and we've done that just to be a little bit more versatile,
Yeah.
a bit more free camping, just sort of.
A little bit shorter, a
We're-
bit easier, because you know we should share it with family and friends as well. So it's a bit
Yeah.
shorter for them to tow.
I think a
so-
19'6" is a
Just the
perfect
right
size
size.
caravan.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
great
Perfect
size
size
caravan.
If we weren't living in it, we would have
Not
a
a
19.
great sized home.
Yeah.
No.
Correct.
But Jayco, mate, literally you can't go wrong with them, can
Yeah,
you?
this will be
Bang
our-
for buck,
our fifth.
honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We rate the Jaycos. We always
Yeah.
say if we couldn't
Yeah.
have the caliber of van like Titanium, Zone, and all those types of vans, we would have.
Hands down, I wouldn't
a
pick
Jayco.
any of them bar a Jayco.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And we've
100%.
like,
So, yeah.
And you repair them and you service them and you look after them and you've still gone Jayco. So
yeah. So
That
I mean,
says
we're a
something.
Jayco warranty agent as well.
There you
so
go, yeah.
We see the best of the best and
Yeah.
the worst of the worst, if you want to call it
Yeah.
that. And yeah.
So people who are frightened of Jayco,
Don't be.
I think they're amazing. If you've got a little bit of a handy touch to yourself, I think it,
I
it
tell
helps
people
with
that
it.
if you're going to buy a Jayco, make sure you buy a good screwdriver set,
Yes.
Yeah.
and you'll be fine.
And you'll be
Well,
fine, totally
what-
fine.
Yeah,
That's right.
you need to
that's right.
reinforce certain things and repair
Yeah.
certain things here and there, but bang for buck, you're
Well,
right.
Can't go wrong
that's
with them.
exactly right, and because we're not travelling full time, we can't justify. We'd love to. Don't get us wrong.
Absolutely.
There is some absolutely beautiful vans out there now, and every time they drive in the driveway, we just think, really like that.
One day.
One
But the
day.
price of them now as well
We
is
just can't.
absurd.
For us, you know, for
Yeah,
what we do,
for us, it
it works.
keeps us in the market.
So-
We get to go away. We get to enjoy time with our family. We get to enjoy the RV lifestyle.
Yeah, that's right.
But we don't have to break the bank to do it.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So it kind of leads into the next question. When you travel, do you travel with a budget or do you just wing it?
No, we're
He's got a gold watch, man. That ain't travel with a budget.
no, we're pretty fast and loose when we travel. We
Yeah,
sort
cool.
of just we don't get away as much as we like to, but we got some pretty cool stuff we do, with our friends at work, and we go away with them and that sort of thing. So we do the whole family thing, and when we go away, like just as a family, it's just like we go anywhere, we do anything, whatever.
Just
we
don't
Make the
think
most of
about
it.
it. Just go out and have a blast.
Yeah.
Because we don't
Every
get to go away.
time we've tried to do a planned trip,
Yeah.
something's always happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's one of those things. If we can go, we'll go. And it's usually hey, we're going this place and this date. Do you want to come? Yeah, okay.
It's the same
Last
response we
minute.
get with everyone. I just
People mostly wing it.
traveling with a budget, you're going to constantly be thinking of that, and you're not
Correct.
going to enjoy while you're doing
Yeah.
it. So,
Yeah, 100%.
yeah, yeah.
100%.
Just roll with it.
Roll with it.
So next one, what's the best part about this lifestyle, the caravanning lifestyle?
I love
The people you meet.
Yeah, the people you meet
Yeah.
are
People you
the
meet.
most epic people.
Yeah.
out there. I think the RV lifestyle just attracts the unique type of
It
person.
does.
Yeah.
It
And,
does.
and that type of person is
Very special type of person.
very special. Similar to
What are you
Chris,
saying?
really, very
Yeah,
special.
Chris mate.
I knew that was going to come. Ka-chung!
No, they're a more laid back person. They're a bit more like us, we're pretty chilled out.
We're all like-minded. We're all
Yeah.
out there
Yeah.
for the chill of it all. And
Yeah.
to,
Yeah, and I love that aspect of it, and the time it affords you with your family.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
absolutely.
Just buzzing
Technology
out.
down usually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When we go
Just-
away, kids aren't no iPads, no
They're
No,
too busy. They're too busy. There's too much
They're too
to
busy
do.
doing things.
We
Yeah.
were the
Right.
same with our kids when we went away, weren't
Yeah.
we? Except on extremely long road trips.
We would
but-
give
Yeah.
it to for the road trips, but generally no.
Yeah, like we do karaoke.
Yeah.
Oh, car
Can we give a little
karaoke.
example?
No,
now?
that costs extra. This shoots on a budget.
Occasionally, if you follow our stories feed, occasionally you'll see something embarrassing pop up.
Yeah.
But we have a bit of fun.
That's what
so
stories are for. The
Yeah.
embarrassing
They're
moments.
there and
Yeah.
then they're gone.
And lucky they're gone. Thank God they're gone.
So what's
Yeah,
Oh no.
This episode will be aired after about 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it's a 9 o'clock slot.
this is 9 o'clock.
So number 8, what's the worst part about the RV caravanning lifestyle? It's not really.
That we're not on there full time.
Yeah, there
Yeah,
you
you
Yeah.
go.
I mean, we say,
Probably.
like, we joke, like, even going away on this trip, every time we go away in the van, we say to each other,
Gosh,
like,
we could do this.
yeah, we could just
Yeah.
sell everything and run.
Mum and Dad, can you hold the fort for a year while they go away?
They're the ones trying to go away.
Oh!
It's probably not going to work.
I like their setup, by the way, too.
Yeah. Yeah,
Go
no,
the
mum and dad are all set up,
Silverados.
they're ready to go. We're trying
Yeah.
to get them out the door, get them going,
Yeah.
tell them off you go now, go and enjoy it.
Our industry's just
So-
booming so much at the
It
moment,
is.
and our business is growing so much, and they're such an integral part of our business.
Yeah.
Just with,
Yeah.
you know, we're still young, so they're still
Yeah.
mentoring us.
Yeah,
They
awesome.
take
Nice.
more of that mentor role with us,
Awesome.
more so than being sort of
Yeah.
physically
They have a
hands-on in the
lot
business.
of, life experience, business experience.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
Whenever
Caravan
there's something
experience.
going on, they're a great sounding board. They just talk
Yeah.
you through it and help look at the situation from take the emotion out of it, which is probably the hardest thing in business. So,
It is, absolutely. That's the most difficult part. Can you guide us too, Mum and Dad, by any chance, please?
Question number 9, your favourite location and or adventure?
I have to go back to when we did our honeymoon and out back. The
Ooh,
setup
what's the
we
joke
had.
that
here?
was-
What's going
is that
on
the
here?
location or the adventure?
No, that adventure was like
was
phenomenal.
good.
We did Central Queensland on our trip, and
Out to
I know
Longreach.
one of the like Ruby Vale. and
Oh,
we're
Ruby
going
Vale
back
was
Ruby
to-
Vale was
beautiful.
awesome.
Sapphire
Like, I
and
mean,
all
it's,
that.
it's like the most.
Yeah.
Excuse me, like most bogan town ever.
It's
We
bizarre.
love
We
it
just
out there.
we just loved it.
Yeah.
Like just the pub was awesome. Just the people were so chilled, so
The
awesome,
caravans
so
slotted in the
accommodating.
bush just in random
That's
spots in
right.
their own little plots. And
Yeah, and we had a phenomenal time there, and
yeah, good on
Long
you.
range.
we were lucky enough to we found some
Yeah.
some sapphires and stuff. So yeah, we had a
I'm
great
still
trip.
always a bit of a fan of Stanthorpe though.
Stanthorpe.
Stanthorpe's
I know
amazing
It is
it's,
a
you
gorgeous
know,
spot.
it's just got a little place in my heart, that one.
Did you
Always
explore
something new.
Girraween and all that while you were out there?
We
Girraween
did.
National Park?
We didn't
Part
get
of
to
it.
spend as much time as we
Yeah,
wanted out there,
okay,
but
yeah.
it's
Beautiful part of the world.
for us from home. It's about a 3-hour trek, so
Yeah.
that'd be nice to get the new van.
Yeah. Cool.
All right,
Here
so
we go. Here we go.
question number 10. I know I've lost.
100% you've lost.
Potato scallop or potato cake?
Scallop.
It's a scallop.
Yeah. It didn't sound too convincing though.
Down. I know this.
And more
this
importantly,
season.
how do you like to eat your potato scallop?
Chicken salt? No chicken salt.
Chicken
salt.
salt.
Chicken salt. And in an oily bag. Like,
Yeah.
Come on.
Original, keep it authentic.
Yeah, keep it authentic, straight out of the hot box.
All right. So, question number 11 is: do you want to answer question number 11?
Of course, we want to
Okay,
answer
yep.
question number 11. It's
Okay.
Chris's birthday.
Yeah.
All right, so you
I'm not
have-
involved in it.
So you have 2 children.
Yes.
What ages are
They're
they?
both for sale. Because I'm just thinking that will help us get onto
Are
the
they
road
on your
quicker.
e-commerce site?
Yes. They're under accessories clearance.
So how old are they?
9 and 5.
9 and 5. So how do you find your intimacy in the caravan as a couple with young children?
Well,
You
many
don't.
people don't know this, but I used to be a dancer. No.
Hey! Like pole-related dancing, or?
From time to time. No.
Just meet Adam at happy hour and you'll find out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for more.
Yeah, so how do you find your, I guess, not just sex, but relationship as a couple when you go off on like extended trips in the van?
Because you guys work with each other, you're in each other's
Yeah.
pockets day in, day out.
Yeah.
So
I mean, her office is close enough that if I'm in trouble, she just knocks on the wall and tells me I'm in trouble. So
Love you, darling.
Yeah, you look beautiful today. Did
you done something with your hair?
Is that a new shirt?
Yeah. I think I think our kids are pretty good.
Yeah.
They'll run off and
I think
play by
we
themselves.
probably connect a little bit better because usually when we go away, there's still work that's always there. We always have to keep working. We don't get to sort of completely switch off, but we do get to connect on a different level. We usually takes about a week to come down a little bit and chill out.
Settle in.
Yeah.
And then that's when all of our really good ideas happen. I think we work well together, so we make it work. And
Well, you have to make it work. You have to.
You
we
finally
try to
get a
keep it
chance to
funny. We
breathe.
bounce off each other a bit.
Yeah.
So
We always come back from holidays with some harebrained ideas.
yeah, we come back and go, hey.
The good ideas always happen when you're out doing something fun, don't they?
Yeah.
I think they do.
Well, there we go. That wraps it up. 10 questions with ADU, plus the bonus question number 11, which you answered very well. So thank you so much, guys.
Thanks, guys. Look these guys up to. They are absolute legends.
If you ever need your caravan repairing, which we hope you don't, but if you do, give these guys a call.
And we're going to miss them because they're going today too.
Actually,
So
leave
they've
it
been on the
there.
trip for us for the week, and now you're going home.
Gotta go back.
Someone's got to work.
Gotta go
Yeah.
back and
Yeah, someone's got to go back to
keep
work.
the gears turning. So
Someone not quite as cool as us is coming to replace us.
yes, no one will be as cool as these guys. So. Anyway, thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.
Bye.
Bye. We learned that this week.
Oh.
Did I press record though? Yes, I did.
Oh, thank
You have
goodness.
no
'cause
idea.
that-